Hey, what's up? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? This is Shawn Cole Enterprises. Just here to stop, man, with you, have a conversation about online marketing, digital marketing. Um, this kind of touched me today because I've seen a lot of marketing. I have, like I said, a lot of friends, a lot of people starting their online adventures, right? And I see some mistakes that they are making. And I just kind of want to put these pointers out that to kind of help everybody out today, so everybody can make some money, right? Like I said, the topic of this video today: two digital marketing mistakes to avoid, to boost your sales. That's what it's all about. And like I said, I hope you're having a great day. I know I am. And I just want to talk about the mistakes that a lot of people make when marketing their business. It's a lot of people. It's a lot of people. The longer I've been in this space, the more I see it. Like I say, I see a lot of entrepreneurs starting new businesses online. Online, because online is the way to be. It's the most efficient way to do it, especially if you already have a full-time job and you're just looking to make money on the side. The best way to do this is online, right? They create their business, they create their website. Everybody gets excited about the website. I know I was at first. And your first post is always, hey, everybody, I just started a new business. Look at my website. It's so amazing. I love it. And that's cool. Like I said, I did it, and people will congratulate you, especially on social media, right? But 90% of the time, they won't do business with you. Why is that, right? It's because people don't like to be sold, bottom line. And what you have to have might not respond or might not resonate with them. They might not react to it. It might not be something that they're looking for, right? I came across an article, it touched on this topic. It went over 4 points to avoid, but for time purposes, I try to keep it short on here. I'm just going to share two of those points, right? Help you out. I picked out two that I thought, that meant the most to me. It covered most of the mistakes that I made, right? If you want to see the full article, just send me a message and I'll gladly share it with you, of course. Sharing is caring, right? And let's get right into it. Point number one: understand your target audience. This is the most important thing right here. What do customers expect from your business? This is what you should be thinking before you start any type of advertising. You have to understand this. You've got to understand it before you start any form of marketing, whether it is online, print, whatever. You got to understand what your end buyer is going to get out your business. Like you can't sell scooters to people that ride Harleys. They're not going to relate. They're not going to want it. They want a Harley. They want the big engine. They want the noise. They're not going to get that from an electric scooter, right? It's not going to work. It just won't resonate with them. You need to know your demographic and the psychology of your audience, who your end buyer is, who's going to spend money with you, who your service is for. Tip number two, right? You have to put out quality content on a daily basis. Customers want regularly scheduled content. You got to remember, man, a lot of people are set schedules. You go to work, you have a schedule. You go to school, you have a schedule. You watch TV, you watch your shows, they have a schedule, right? Online interaction resonates best, but you got to keep it on a scheduled, regular basis, especially, prior to them making a purchase from you. They want to get to know you. Online customers now, they're smarter. They're not fooled anymore. It's not, you can put out clickbait and have people click on it and see your stuff. It doesn't work that way anymore. They've gotten all the spam emails and stuff like that. They're wise to it. They know fluff content when they see it, right? So the thing is to put out quality content on a daily scheduled basis that relates to your end buyer. Bad content, it can cause your site to rank low on search engines, which is crippling to your business. Because, like I said, if you're putting out bad content, it's not resonating to your audience they're not going to interact with it. If they're not interacting with it, if they're not looking at your blog, your vlog, or any of the content you're putting out, which is going to lead them to your site's not going to get any hits and it's not going to rank. Plain and simple. So always think quality over quantity, when it comes to the content for your customers. All right. And I got one more tip for you. I'm going to give you a bonus tip. Insufficient website promotion. Your website, it is the most accessible and least expensive catalog that you have for your brand. You can put all your products there, all your services at a much cheaper cost than if you would do print ads and catalogs and stuff like that. People need to know where to get your product from. They need to know where to go to purchase from you and to do business with you or to obtain your service. No marketing means no leads and no sales. And what does that mean? That means you're out of business. That means no money in your pocket. You can't take care of your family, right? Your website needs to be promoted efficiently as possible, right? I think we all can agree on that. I found a way to effectively, affordably do this. If you want, to know what I do, what service I use, where I get daily leads and sales in my business, and I help others to get daily leads and sales in their business using this system, just send me a message. I'll share it with you. If you want to know what article where I got some of these points from, right? Again, send me a message and I'll share it with you. No big deal. That's what I do. Thank you for your time this evening. I'm going to end it here. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.